Somebody asked me about how to get new clients as part of the frequently asked questions series we are starting. So I'll just answer one question for today. Just gonna give you two easy and free ways to get new clients. The first is subcontracting, right? If you're a company that's registered, have your liability insurance, have your workman's compensation, etc., etc. Partner with a legitimate, a well-managed cleaning company and see if you can become a subcontract. You should never be charged for your subcontract. I just recently did a posting on subcontracting. Look at my Instagram for some of the tips on it, the essential tips, right? So subcontracting is a good way you can get started or get new clients. They're not your clients, but you're getting revenue coming and you're getting experiences. You're using the pictures that you take for your own marketing purpose. So that's one. The other way is going door to door. Go to places where they have an office park, an executive office park. Bring your business cards. Bring a well-designed flyer that states what you do, what you offer, the value you give, and give it out and keep going back to those places. You can get clients that way. Those are just two free and easy ways you can get started with new clients. Thank you.